How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fairies Technology. This is the iPhone 14 Plus, and this one is blue. It's brand new, and we're going to be installing a glass screen protector on it today. I'm going to show you how to properly install a glass screen protector on your iPhone. The first thing we want to do is shut the phone off. So to do that, we're going to hold down the power button and the volume up button. So let's go ahead and do that. Hold it down for a few seconds. It's going to give us the option to slide to power off. So we'll go ahead and shut the phone off completely. Now, this is the brand of screen protector that I am using. I will link it down below so you can check it out if you want. And inside of the contents for it, we get a couple of screen protectors. So we get a couple extra ones, as well as we get the wet and dry wipes and the sticker. We're not going to use the wet and dry wipes because I prefer to use Whoosh. Whoosh is my favorite screen cleaner. So we've got that right there. So we're going to go ahead and grab our official Whoosh screen cleaning cloth. We're gonna spray the screen down right here. There we go, give it a couple wipes. And then we're going to clean the screen down nicely, get any fingerprints and stuff off of it, just like that. Perfect. Then we're gonna grab the sticker that's included as well. We're going to remove the bigger sticker, and then we are just going to go like that all over the screen right there. And we're gonna get any sort of bits of dust and stuff off of the screen. There we go. I like the look of that. Then we're gonna quickly grab our screen protector. We're gonna peel back this piece right here. There we go, peel that back. And then we're gonna look from over top. We're gonna line the top of the screen up just right here. So we're gonna line that top nicely in the corners. We're just gonna hover the bottom right here for a second. Once we've got the top aligned, check your sides just with your finger to make sure that it's all aligned on the sides as well. When it's aligned like 3/4 of the way down, then your bottom should be aligned fine as well. Then we're gonna apply some pressure just to the top two corners right here. And then we're just gonna drop the screen protector. Now, it's going to have to self-heal now. To let it self-heal, what you wanna do is apply a line of pressure in the middle. And you can see right now how the screen protector is just healing its way out. So let it do its thing, and it may stop around the edges if it doesn't have enough pressure to continue. And then all we're going to do is grab our wipe cloth, and we're just going to use the wipe cloth to pressure down and get any sort of bubble that didn't heal just right out. I'm actually going to pick it up with my finger and just push some of them out. There we go. Push some of them out. The top one, make sure it's all applied. Push out any of the bubbles that didn't heal. Perfect. There we go. And we're going to turn it back on. Let it do its thing. There we go. Wipe it down again with our cloth. And then we have a perfectly installed glass screen protector on our iPhone 14 Plus. So again, apply by aligning the top, and then aligning down 3/4 of the way, drop it, apply your pressure in the middle, let it heal, push any last remaining bubbles out, and your screen protector is good to go. If this video was helpful, make sure you smash that thumbs up. That's really helpful for me. I really do appreciate your support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.